We learn many things in NUS Real Estate. Here are some of the core areas that we learn. For this series, we will be focusing on 3 of the core areas, which are urban planning, valuation, and real estate finance.
What is valuation? It is a process of developing an opinion of value of real property, such as a piece of vacant land or buildings. There are many ways to value real estate. Today, we will be showing you 2 different methods of valuation, the direct comparison method and the residual method. The direct comparison method provides the market value of a property by comparing it to values obtained in the open market of similar properties. Step 1. Understand the site. To understand the site and its surroundings, we have to research online and on-site. Important information can be found on government websites. Take this empty plot of land in Martin Place for example. It is located in District 9 along River Valley Road. According to the master plan, it is zoned for residential use with land tenure of 99 years and gross plot ratio of 2.8. Next, we have to go on-site to understand the geographical landscape of the site and its surroundings. As you know, location is very important in real estate. Let's go down and take a look. This is how the empty plot at Martin Place looks like. Step 2. Determining the highest and best use. We have to determine the highest and best use to think of what we can develop on the vacant land that is feasible and results in the highest value. For this case, let's assume we are going to develop the land into a condominium. Step 3. Finding the comparables. Now, we know what we are going to develop. We can find similar properties to do the comparison. As you know, no 2 properties are alike. Therefore, we have to find the most similar properties for a more accurate and reliable valuation. These are the comparables that we will be looking at. Suites at Orchard, Martin Place Residences, OUE Twin Peaks, and Sophia Hills. These are the details of the comparables. Step 4. Make adjustments. As mentioned earlier, since properties are heterogeneous, we still need to make the necessary adjustments to match it to our subject property. Now, let's take a look at what these adjustments will look like. Essentially, adjustments are done to match the comparables to the subject site. For example, if the comparables are nearer to the amenities as compared to the subject site, we have to adjust the price of the comparables lower. Once we have done the necessary adjustments, we can go into the 5th and the final step. Step 5. Conclusion. This is where we consolidate each comparable and assign a weightage towards them. And you get a price of the vacant land. The second method that we will be showing you is the residual method. The residual method is based on the rationale that site value is the residual value having deducted all costs of development and profits from the expected capital value of the property when completed. For this method, there are basically 4 steps. Step 1. Estimate the highest and best use of the vacant site. In this case, the highest and best use is to develop a condominium on the site. Step 2. Find the gross development value, also known as the GDV. GDV is the expected value of the completed development. To get this, we can use another valuation method, such as the direct comparison method. Step 3. List all costs of development and profits. Cost includes the following. This will get us the residual site value. Step 4. Determine the site value. The residual site value, which we calculated earlier on, accounts for opportunity costs, legal and stamp fees. Therefore, with simple algebra, we can finally get our site value.